Make a great choice today with the 2019 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.